In this video, we shall replace the left control panel and a PowerEdge R6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the left control panel with the riser 2 removed, first disconnect the data cable from the attic card by pulling on it, and then unroute it. Pull it out from underneath there. Then remove the 3 screws securing the left control panel in place. With the screws removed, you can slide the control panel out of the system. To install the left control panel, align it with the side of the system and slide it into place. Then secure it with the 3 screws. Then reroute the cables. And then reconnect it. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.